everyone, welcome back to our channel X and Yong. Today we are going to talk about Apple, not the fruit but the Apple stock. Currently, Apple is having a market share of 33.5% among the mobile vendors in Singapore. There are a total of 3 Apple stores in this tiny island to cater 5.7 million of populations. Behind me, this is the first floating Apple store in Asia. It looks really gorgeous, right? So personally, X and I are iPhone users for more than 10 years. There are 3 main reasons why we are holding Apple stock. First, it has strong economic moat.
Apple fan here.
Apple focused on user experience. It is very well known for its quality. Once you start using its iPhone, you will also tend to buy its other accessories such as the AirPods Pro, which is really good for the noise cancellation, its MacBook. With the M1 chips launched 2 years ago, it has been proven to be more efficient and faster in terms of performance compared to the prior Intel chip. Also, there are more people starting to look into Apple wearables, which is the Apple Watch. In this case, it is very cool that if you get the Apple Watch and able to complete the challenges in the Lumi Health, you are also able to get the e-voucher worth of $380 within 2 years. Apple products work very well among each other. So if you are using their phone, their MacBook, their watch, you're able to sync up data very fast, and you can back everything up in the iCloud system itself. So the cost of switching is very high if you have been using Apple products. The reason is it has been providing a very user-friendly experience, its quality and its convenient for most people. Secondly, Apple companies has strong financials. In fact, it is actually the first US company that reached trillions dollar market capitalization in 2018, and then 2 years later, it has doubled up its valuation to $2 trillion. It is a very fast-growing company, even during the pandemic. In terms of profitability, for the past 3 years, it has been reporting increasing net income. Its net income actually increased by 20%. If we drill down to the details, its revenue and gross margin is also increasing. So its gross margin has always been in the range of 30 to 40%, which is relatively high. Why Apple able to charge such a high margin? Because it has the power to do so, and the consumers are willing happily to pay the price for this. Also, Apple has a strong financial positions. Its asset and equity value has been increasing quarter over quarter. Its equity is standing at $71.9 billion as of December 2021. Debt to equity ratios is less than 2 times, which is considered healthy. That means the company is growing healthily without over leveraging. It is using the funds from the equity and debts in a very balanced positions. In terms of cash, Apple is reporting having a $38.5 billion on hand, aligned with its strategies to buy back the shares from the market to control the number of outstanding shares. This is definitely a good news for investors to ensure that the share price is always being maintained and not to dilute too much the earning per share. Thirdly, let's talk about the future outlook of Apple. Just recently, Apple has just released its 10 years future plan. It is currently working on the Metaverse project to launch the VR headset, Apple Car, a full autonomous car. All these are very exciting and forward-looking. We know that Apple always launch new iPhone model every year around September. So we can expect the iPhone 14 this year, or maybe an improved version of iPhone SE, or maybe a foldable iPhone. All these are just rumors, but it is very exciting that there are always something that we can look forward to, and this will definitely able to give confidence to the investor that this company is constantly investing in innovation and trying to look for more sales revenue. Despite Apple is giving out 22 cents per share to its shareholders, it is not very attractive for people who look for dividend income. Indeed, Apple is a stock with a growth potential for long term if you are a value investor. Comment below and share with us if you agree so or otherwise. We are very happy to hear from you. Do give us a like and subscribe to our channel as we will post content every week. See you again in the next one.